guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So I am back with one more video. So I think it is very clear from the title itself that I will be creating an inspired makeup look. So Lily Collins is one of my favorite actresses. So in today's video, I will be creating a makeup look which will be inspired by one of her looks in Emily in Paris, which is my favorite series. I love the series. I am in so much love with the outfits she wore and the costumes. Her hair, her makeup was complimenting her a lot. So I thought that I should create one of her look from that series. So I have chosen this look. The picture will be shown on the screen. So this is a very bold look. She looks so beautiful in this look. So without any further ado, let us start the video. Okay, so we'll be starting by preparing our face. So I have washed my face thoroughly. Now I'll be applying some toner. So this is the green tea toner from Good Vibes. I'm gonna wait for a while so the toner gets dried up. Now I'll be using a moisturizer. This is from Cetaphil. Don't forget to apply moisturizer on your neck. Now we will be applying primer. This is from NYB Blurring Primer. So we will be starting with our base makeup. For foundation, I'll be using the Iba Halal's Pure Skin Liquid Foundation with SPF 15. This is in the shade Sun Beige. And then I'll be mixing this with the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, which is in the shade W120 Warm Cream. This foundation is a little bit darker for my skin, so I have to mix this one with this, and it is very yellow. It turns my face into someone who have jaundice, so I have to apply this one with something else so that it mixes well. But all in all, this is actually a very good foundation if you want to use it. The shade range is, however, not that great. I am not liking the shade range. I think they should introduce some more shades to their collection. So the texture, the finish is very nice, but this foundation is a little bit dry and it's very thick than other foundations. So if you are someone with dry skin, then be careful while using this foundation because you have to. How can I be so dumb? मैंने mic literally phone से connect ही नहीं किया, and I thought that I have plugged it in and I kept on talking. Okay. So I was talking about this foundation. This foundation is very much dry, so people who have dry skin, be careful while using this. If you want, then you can dilute it with some lotion, or if you want, you can mix it up with some other foundations, because this is very drying, and once you apply on your face, you have to quickly blend it with a blender. You cannot keep it for too long on your face because this dries up too quickly, so that's why. Okay, so I will be taking one pump of this. Can you see how thick the foundation is? It's very thick. Can you see the difference between the two foundations? Foundation is runny and this is quite thick. So now we will be concealing our face using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer, which is in the shade 25 medium. Now we will contour the face using the NYB contour stick. It is in the shade Roaming in Roosevelt Toast. So now I'll be setting up my face using the Purple Be Your Own BFF Compact with SPF, which is in the shade Beige Self Care 3. So I'm just gonna apply it using a brush. So now we will be applying some blush. For that I will be using the SFR Colors Pure Blush, which is in the shade Nude Berry. So for my brows I'll be using the Swiss Beauty brow palette. So first of all I'll be taking a spoolie, then I'll be just taking this wax from here and I'll just brush up my brows. We'll need a thicker brow for this look. The thing which I like about brow waxes is that it locks the shape of the brow you make. Now I'll be going with this shade. So we are done with the brows. I'm so much satisfied because Lily Collins have really thick and beautiful brows. So that is why I have made it a little bit thicker. So for the eyes, first of all, I will be going with this shade. So now we will be moving to this darker shade. So for eyeliner, I'll be using the NYB Ellis Island eyeliner. Now I'll be applying some mascara. For that I'm using the Nykaa's Curl Power Mascara. The highlighter, I'll be using the NYB Shine and Shimmer highlighter. I think the shade is 04 or something. I forgot the shade name. So I'll just take some for the inner corners of my eyes. So for my lips, first of all, I'll be lining up my lips with the help of ADS Pro, with the help of ADS lip liner. Then I'll be filling it up. For lipstick, I'll be using the Ruby Glow RM03 from Blue Heaven Powder Matte Bullet Lipstick. So this is the makeup look. Now we will be moving on to our hairs. Hairstyle is very easy. You just have to make a simple bun. So for the hair accessory, I am having this chain kind of thing, which I'll be putting right here. So I will be back after completing the look. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with a new video. Till then, bye bye.